Hey, good morning and welcome back to the Mount Pleasant Farm barn project. So today we're going to be installing the internal chicken coop area, which is going to entail just putting up a few walls and a door and making a nesting box area possibly today. And also have to replace one joist. So let me show you what we have going on here. Said before, in the back of this barn, we're going to be having a chicken area, an internal coop area, so to speak. So right up there on that vertical beam is going to be where the stairs begin, right up in here, and go down towards that side door. So this area over here is going to be chicken coop. It's about 8 by 3.5, which is perfect for an internal chicken coop area. It'll give them an area to come in from outside in addition to their other coop. We'll get a door in the wall just down low there so they can hop up in here. And from this vertical post going across will be a wall, and then another one going over towards that vertical post. We'll have an egg box area down on this end. The sides will be 4 feet high of just 3/8 inch plywood to keep the dust down, and the rest will be 2 by 4 welded wire up to this area here. Then of course the flooring will go across to be the roof. We'll have some roosting bars in here and some egg boxes, and that is about it. So roosting bars, egg boxes. We're going to probably put some sort of linoleum down on the bottom so it's easy to sweep out, and we'll have a door over here that's opens up, keeps the floor open so we can sweep it out. But anyway, let's watch how this goes together. First things first, this last joist was one of the ones I wanted to replace, and it just so happens it's going to act as the top plate for my chicken coop wall. So I pulled this joist out that was here in this area, and I've got another one that I'm building right now, which is 2 by 6 by 16s, and I'm getting ready to screw those together now to make one joist. Well, I got tired of stuff falling on me and dust and everything else, so I went ahead and did the rest of the demo for the loft floor. Anything else left up there is new lumber that'll be used to rebuild the loft floor. So right now I just got to get all this crap picked up and re-swept up in here so I can have a clean workspace to get this actual project started.
So you're done grooming?
Yeah, man.
I'm doing work on it, so take a long time, which will make me good money. Is it almost lunchtime?
Probably. We're getting close.
It's like 10 o'clock. What is lunchtime?
11:30. there you have it. All right, so I've got our cross brace in here for the stair stringers going up, which will go down that way towards that door. It'll come out 30 inches away from that. Then, of course, I've got the new joist in all the way across. And then I got some framework in back there. Just put a 2x6 going across that way. So I've got something to finish out the loft flooring boards with. And they'll come across and finish out right there. So it's going good. Right now I'm starting to build out I got a couple scab boards on that 4x4 post right there, because I'm going to put a pressure treated 2x4 right up against this wall to be the jamb for the door. But you see it kicks out about an inch. So I put some 1x stock in there so I could get that board in place and it wouldn't be impacting the foundation sticking out down there. So after that, I'm gonna make it a 30-inch door. So I'll measure 30 inches out. I'll start putting in base plate down here, and it's gonna go down here and go back across to that post. So it'll be basically about a 40-inch by 8-foot space for these birds. And we'll have some hard wire, welded wire, 2x4 welded wire on there, and some plywood. Nesting box will be on that end, and it should be starting to come together pretty quick now. The hardest part is going to be getting these base plates in, but it shouldn't be too bad because the concrete's only 4 or 5 days old. Okay, so you can kind of see where I'm laying out the groundwork for the floor here. Now the next step will be so I'm just going to use the overhead stuff as a top plate. I'm just going to put studs in between after I get these 2 pieces of base plate in. And that gap down there is where the door is going to be. I'll put it's a 30-inch door. It's good enough to get in and out and just to be able to sweep this thing out when you clean this indoor coop portion. So right now I'm going to go ahead and pre-drill some holes in the 2x, this pressure treated 2x4, and then I'm going to go ahead and drill the holes in the concrete using the boards as a template. My favorite part, but this should be a lot easier with this, as they say, green concrete, much softer and easier to work with. And I'll get these things run down with tap cons, and then we'll start studding out these little walls here and get up the plywood and 2x4 welded wire. Okay, we've got the 2 walls up, get the spot for the door. This inside here is all leveled out. The roof of this will obviously be the loft floor coming in. So that's all ready to go. The stairs will eventually come up this way and attach up there. The loft, of course, is there. So this will be the nesting box side. So I'm not sure how we're going to do that, but still working on that. Get some nesting boxes in here. Next, we'll take some 4x8 1/2 inch or 3/8, I'm sorry, and we'll sheath the bottom of this, bottom 4 feet, and the rest of it will be 2x4 welded wire for ventilation. Got the bottom sheathed because of, how chickens are with dust and bedding and all the other crap they'll be kicking out all over the barn. I don't want it out here with the rest of the stuff in the barn. All right, well, here we go. We got this, got these walls closed in. This will be 2x4 welded wire here, 30-inch door. Kind of dark and creepy in here, but egg boxes will go along that wall there. We'll have a few roosts in here, and the door will be down there for them. And I'll eventually get some kind of linoleum or something slick to cover the floor so it's easy to clean out and all that. So we're getting close. Just need to build the door, get that welded wire up here, and do some flooring up above for it to be ready for chickens. All right, so here's a little update. Sorry I didn't get a lot of action shots. I've got kids all over me today and everything else. So this is pretty much done. Got the wall up here. I'll do the stair stringers coming down here to about 30 inches off that door. Should be about 9 steps. Got welded wire on the top for ventilation. Got 4 feet of 3/8 on the bottom just to keep the crap getting out so much into the barn with the equipment. Got this little door here going. It goes pretty nice. It comes all the way out like this to the side so we can easily get in there. It's 30 inches, no problem. Get in there, sweep out what we need to, and get back out. So right now, I think that's pretty much a stopping point. We still have to the top as far as getting that secure. That's going to be, of course, the flooring from the attic or loft, I guess you'd call it, in a barn. But yeah, it's pretty much done. Pretty much done exactly what I wanted to get done, aside from maybe getting the hole cut to get the birds in. I'd like to have gotten them able to start accessing this today, but I did get a ton finished. So we can work that tomorrow evening after work. I appreciate y'all watching. Please like and subscribe if you like what you see. Tell your friends, especially if they've got chickens or like farm stuff. So anyway, this place is looking like a mess again, and we haven't even moved everything back in, but we're getting there. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.